Amazon Firestick volume button not working. The volume button not working on your Firestick remote is actually a common issue. This usually happens because the remote isn't properly configured to control your TV's volume via HDMI-CEC, which is called AnyNet on Samsung and SimpleLink on LG. Now, the issues that may result from this are low batteries, obstructions, software glitches, or the TV just stopped pairing. Now, here's how you can fix it. The first thing you need to do is to perform some checks. Press the mute on your Fire Stick remote, that's the mute icon, to simply mute and unmute it. Replace the batteries if you have any weak batteries, and also clear your line of sight. So remove anything blocking the TV and the remote. So no cases or furniture in front of your TV and remote. And then simply restart everything by unplugging your Fire Stick from power for 60 seconds, and then plugging and unplugging your TV as well, and then plugging them back in and resetting the connection. So in order to reset the connection, here's all you need to do. You can also reconfigure your TV control. This is the most common solution. All you need to do is go to settings, that's the gear icon, and then select equipment control. So select equipment control and then select volume and then select manage equipment and then select your TV and then choose to change your TV or set up your TV if there's none listed, and then follow the on-screen prompts. It will test the volume and power button and ask you to confirm your TV or your TV brand or its model, and then wait for confirmation, then restart the Fire TV stick. You can also repair, that's to repair your Fire TV stick remote to the TV, that's, repairing it back to the television by simply holding the left navigation button and the menu button as well as the back button. Hold them for 12 seconds, remove your battery, and then reinsert them, and then hold the home button once more. Hold it for 10 seconds, and that should pair your remote back to the TV. All right.